Is it possible to have a quadrilateral whose angles are of measure 105 degree, 165 degree, 155 degree, and 45 degree? Quickly. Come on, इतनी जल्दी तो आंसर आ जाना चाहिए भाई.
No, sir.
Oh, sir,
No,
it is
sir.
not
Sir.
possible.
Why,
No,
sir?
sir.
No, sir.
Why,
Sir,
sir?
can Lux say
Sir, because it is not equal to 360 degrees.
360? Sir, it is
Yes,
370 degrees.
370.
And the sum of all angles of quadrilateral should be 360 degrees.
चलो भाई, मान लिया आपकी बात. भाई, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral should be equal to 360 degree, but here in this case the sum is coming out to be 370 degrees, so it is not possible. So this is not correct. Next, the angles of a quadrilateral are 20 degree, 100 degree, and 80 degree. Find the fourth angle.
Sir, 160 degree.
160 degree.
Sir, 160 degree.
160 degree.
160 degree.
160
Next.
degree.
What will be the sum of the angles of a convex polygon which has 6 sides? What is the sum of the angles of a convex?
720 degrees of first.
720 degrees. Second part का आंसर बताइए.
Sir, 900.
900. चलो चेक कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर है इट विल बी 2 times of.
Sir, it will be 1080 second.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Into 90 degrees, so it will be equal to. So it will be 2 times of 4 multiplied by 90 degree, which is equal to 8 into 90 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. ठीक है. और इसमें क्या होगा, 8 sides में it will be 2 times of 8 minus 2 multiplied by 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree multiplied by 6, which is equal to 1080 degrees. Next, question number 4. How many sides have a regular polygon? How many sides has a regular polygon? Each angle of whose measures 108 degree.
Sir, I was disconnected. Sir, which question are we doing?
Question number 4. Question number 4. How many sides of a regular polygon, each of whose angle is 300?
I could not understand the question.
You could not understand the question. I am saying there is a regular polygon जिसके नंबर ऑफ साइड्स मुझे नहीं पता है, बट मुझे एक चीज पता है कि उसका एक एंगल, एक इंटीरियर एंगल या उसके सारे इंटीरियर एंगल्स 108 डिग्री के हैं. उसका जो इंटीरियर एंगल है that is equal to 108 डिग्री. See, the question is like this. ये कोई रेगुलर पॉलीगन होगा, इसके नंबर ऑफ साइड्स मुझे नहीं पता. I just know that this angle is 108 degree. This angle is 108 degree. तो मुझे ये बताना है कि इसके नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितने होंगे. आप लोगों को एक चीज मैंने उस दिन बताई थी कि द एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ फॉर द केस ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन, द एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 360 डिवाइडेड बाय n. 360 डिवाइडेड बाय n. ये फॉर्मूला होता है each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n. साथ के साथ आप लोगों को ये भी बताया था कि if this angle is 108 degree, sir, can I say that this angle is 72 degree? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. It will be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. अब अगर ये वाला एंगल 72 डिग्री हो गया सर, तो कैन आई से दैट, अगर ये वाला एंगल सर 72 डिग्री हो गया तो कैन आई से दैट 72 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 360 डिवाइडेड बाय n, दैट गिव्स मी n इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 72 डिग्री which is equal to 5. Can I say it like this?
Yes, sir.
Say it loudly yaar, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 5. What is the sum of all the angles of a hexagon, an octagon, and a regular decagon? Sum of all the angles निकालना है. Same like question number 3. The formula you have to use 2n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. The sum will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. अगर n की हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, for the first it will be 720 and the second it will be 1080.
इसका बता बेटा 10th का. 10th के केस में क्या होगा, 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree which is equal to 8 multiplied by 180 degree, that is equal to 1440 degrees. That is equal to 1440 degrees. Last question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon whose interior angle is 124 degrees? Is it possible to have a regular polygon whose interior angle is 124 degrees?
No, sir.
Why, sir?
Sir, because it will first be sir, like you said that of sir, when we at the exterior angle it will be
Very good.
180.
Very good. Very
So,
good.
sir, it will-
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. See, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. That I know. Now, interior angle is equal to 124 degree. Sir, therefore, exterior angle will be equal to 180 degree minus 124 degrees. 26 degree here and 30 degrees here. So it will be 56 degrees. Is it correct? Just check. Just check once and tell me.
Yes, sir.
56 degrees. Now, we know that exterior angle, each exterior angle for the case of a regular polygon, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n. So I will have 56 degrees is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. So n will be equal to 360 divided by 56. अब जरा इसको solve करो. कैसे solve
It
करेंगे?
will be 45 by 7.
It will be equal to 45 by 7. 45 by 7 से अब problem यहाँ पे ये है कि my number of sides cannot be in point. My number of sides has to be my integer. आपको लिखना पड़ेगा since number of sides should be an integer, therefore above case is
Sir,
not. हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, but integer can be negative, but the number size can't be negative. So we can write a natural number.
लिख लो, it should be a natural number. Yeah, you can write it should be a positive integer. It should be a positive integer, that also you can write, or you can write it as natural number. Both the things are equally correct. So the above case is not possible. Hence, my dear friends, what we will have is this condition is not correct. हो गया भाई, देखो 5 मिनट लगे, 10 मिनट, 5-7 मिनट लगे एक्सरसाइज 1 आस्क योरसेल्फ 1 डिस्कस करने के लिए. चलो आस्क योरसेल्फ 2 के क्वेश्चंस, एक आध क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं बाय द टाइम, सिंस वी हैव टाइम. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 7:2. You have to find all the angles quickly.
Sir, 140:40.
The angles will be
140:40.
140:40 नहीं बोलते बेटा, बोलते 140 and 40. हम ये जानते हैं कि for a parallelogram the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So what I will have, 7x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 9x will be equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 20 degree. तो मेरे जो एंगल्स हो गए वो क्या क्या हो गए सर? एक हो गया 140 डिग्री और दूसरा हो गया 40 डिग्री. अब हम ये जानते हैं कि अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल. सो all angles are 140 degree, then 40 degree, then 140 degree, then 40 degree. ऐसा इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि अगर ये एंगल और ये एंगल एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होंगे, ये एंगल एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होंगे, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. इस तरीके से, इसीलिए मैंने इसको इस तरीके से लिखा है. ठीक है. So what I will do is I will stop here today. Rest of the questions we are going to discuss in the next class. Whole exercise number 1 and remaining portion of ask yourself second and this thing. Those who can complete, they should try to attempt exercise number 2 and 3 also. ये नहीं कि ये कर लिया और बैठ गए, कि आगे करेंगे तो देखा जाएगा. Those who can complete, they can, those who can do, they can, those who will complete this much of work, they can also complete, start attempting exercise number 2 and 3, because theoretically the chapter is over. Okay. So my dear friends, what I will do is I will end your session now, and I